The whole family will enjoy traveling in the 2023 Forest River Impression. The entertainment center with a fireplace size perfect for movie nights. The open kitchen has everything you need to make your favorite meals. The bunkhouse can sleep up to 3 people and includes a deck and wardrobe. The loft provides even more sleeping space. The bathroom is centrally located for added convenience. The bedroom has a comfy queen-size bed, 3 wardrobes and washer, a dryer prep. This beautiful fifth wheel could be yours.